This video shows how to factory reset the HinksPix Pro to defaults. In this particular case, we have a static IP address set, and this will default to 10.10.10.10 on a factory install. I'll go ahead and press the reset button on this CPU, and it will boot up. Once it goes past LED test, what we will do is we will go ahead and select the left or M button. This will bring up our menu. We're going to press the minus button to go down, and then we're going to hit S to select. Now, we want to go ahead and press Enter or S, and that will then factory reset it. Note that this will clear all settings. This includes all networking, configurations of any outputs, or any long range or SPI configurations. Once this controller boots back up, we should see the IP address change to the 10.10.10.10 address, indicating that we now have a factory install. You'll notice it says attach pixel 32 because it has 32 ports configured in this particular configuration. See our other videos that explain the boot up process. And here we go. We now have 10.10.10.10 as our default IP address.